CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. This international agreement aims to ensure that international trade in specimens of wild animals and plants does not threaten their survival. CITES provides varying degrees of protection to more than 35,000 species of animals and plants. It was adopted in Washington, D.C., on March 3, 1973. CITES works by subjecting international trade in specimens of selected species to certain controls. All import, export, re-export, and introduction from the sea of species covered by the convention must be authorized through a licensing system. The species covered by CITES are listed in 3 appendices, according to the degree of protection they need. Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD, adopted in 1992. The CBD is a comprehensive, multilateral treaty with 3 main objectives: the conservation of biological diversity, the sustainable use of its components, and the fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from genetic resources. It has been instrumental in promoting global actions and national strategies. The Ramsar Convention, officially known as the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, especially as waterfowl habitat, is an international treaty for the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands. It was signed in Ramsar, Iran, in 1971 and came into force in 1975. The convention is unique in that it covers all aspects of wetland conservation and its wise use. It is an international treaty for the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands, aiming to halt their degradation or loss. It recognizes the critical role wetlands play in biodiversity, climate regulation, water filtration, and as a resource for human cultures and economies. UNESCO Biosphere Reserves. These are areas designated to promote and demonstrate a balanced relationship between humans and the biosphere. They aim to conserve biodiversity and cultural diversity, along with economic and social development, through partnership between people and nature. The Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, IPS. This global platform provides governments with scientific assessments about the state of the planet's biodiversity, ecosystems, and the contributions they provide to people, as well as tools and methods to protect and sustainably use these vital natural assets. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, is a global organization that assesses the conservation status of species, publishes the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, and promotes sustainable development. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, was founded in 1948 and is the world's oldest and largest global environmental organization. It aims to conserve nature and ensure sustainable use of natural resources. The headquarters of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, is situated in Glasgow.